everybody. So we are at the infamous Fremont Street in Las Vegas, and today I'm joined by none other than Jason Belmonte. And we're gonna zipline, but we're not gonna do just any zipline. We're gonna do the Zoomline. You know what that means?
Yeah, I saw the sign. That's the Superman laying down flat mode.
Yes.
There are two different modes. The sitting down or the laying down.
And we're gonna do the laying down, and it's 10 stories high.
Okay, it looks quite a long way. You go straight down Fremont over the boardwalk. So no spinning on anyone on the way through. That'd be disgusting.
Yeah, never.
No restrooms beyond this point. Okay. Quite comfortable. The most surprising part of it was the ending when you're going quite quick and you're looking at the finish line. You're like, I have to stop. Like, when am I going to stop? And then you just get
come to a gradual slow down, and you kind of come in for a landing. That's not what happened.
No, this is massive. Oh, it just throws you back, and
they don't tell you that that's going to happen.
No. Alright, well, there you go. We survived it. It was a lot of fun. Next time you're in Vegas, do SlotZilla. You'll have fun.
What you said.